The Laurent Council went on submitting that even if, the report of a commission appointed by this court on the joint request of the parties to ascertain the fact whether or not the construction was being raised within 40 feet on either side of main road leading to Mung is accepted to be correct, the link road was likely to be affected by the act of the petitioners as it was included in the definition of highways as provided under section 2 of West Pakistan Highways Ordinance, 1959 adopted in Azad Jammu and Kashmir, full stop. Therefore, according to the Laurent Council, the respondent number 1 was competent under AJK local government ordinance to restrict the petitioners from erasing construction over the said plots likely to affect the link road leading from main road to district courts, Rawalkot, full stop. The Laurent Council also contended that the authority was bound to act in accordance with master plan, according to which the plots allegedly allotted to the petitioners did not figure anywhere in the plan, so, the order or any direction by or on behalf of authority to raise construction was not warranted by law. As such, the same was immaterial in relation to the case of the petitioners, full stop. He relied upon case law 2000 MLD 1305 while addressing the argument, full stop. After having examined the facts of the instant case and the law cited at bar by the respective counsel, the case law 2000 CLC 1762 was selected to resolve the controversy, and I respectfully subscribe to the view taken by the full bench of Honorable Supreme Court AJK, full stop. The other case law relied upon by the Laurent Council for the respondents when examined was not found helpful in resolving the controversy between the respective parties, full stop. Before conclusion, the observation of the we have given due consideration to the questions in light of the arguments advanced at bar, full stop.